What's a law that should not be a law? In my state, our Public Service Commission approved an additional fee on power bills for homeowners who install solar panels. Not necessarily a law, but still shouldn't exist. Still technically a law, in Vermont. Women needing false teeth must first get permission from their husbands to do so. It's a minor one, but here it's illegal for stores to sell alcohol after 10 p.m. I finish work at 10, so if I want to have a few beers at home after work I can't unless I've bought them in advance. Yet I can finish work and go straight to a pub and drink until closing time. Makes no sense. Not being able to pump your own gas in Oregon. Drove through there once and the gas attendant came running from inside the store. He was like, "I am not getting a $5,000 fine again." Then proceeded to pump it for me. Poor guy had to pump all the cars. And still attend the market inside the gas station by himself. This was in Eugene, Oregon to be exact. I just want to hold my salmon suspiciously, man. There are still municipalities in the U.S. that have criminalized more than a certain threshold of adult women from living together without any adult men. Because obviously the only thing they could be doing together is running a brothel. Not sure how many of them are enforced by the actual local law enforcement. But there's universities that don't allow sorority houses for this reason. Any law that exempts any public servant from the laws that govern the rest of us. It is illegal to mispronounce Arkansas, while in the state of Arkansas. In many states, if you are killed at your place of employment, even due to gross or literally criminal negligence on the company's behalf, your family cannot take your employer to court for wrongful death. The workman's comp gets paid out and that's the end of it, effectively making it a kill tax. I'd like to go to Washington, where it's illegal to do this, and harass Bigfoot for being the giant hairy smelly ass fraidy cat bitch that he is. Blue laws are stupid and only based on religion. I really can't buy a beer on Sunday because Jesus won't approve? Liquor and beer should be sold at the same hours tbh. Never understood why you can buy a 24-pack of beer at 10 p.m. but can't buy a small 11 ounces whiskey. Blasphemy laws. I got arrested for giving homeless people care packages with food, water, deodorant, socks, toothbrush, paste. I'm not saying I told the officer to go fornicate with himself and I was going to keep feeding the homeless. Not that it matters now, but I was part of the reason the 11th Circuit Court ruled that feeding the homeless is a form of expressive conduct protected by the First Amendment. Wherever that cop is, I hope he is fornicating himself hard with a rusty fork. Civil asset forfeiture. Law enforcement can seize money or property on suspicion of it being connected to criminal activity. It's then your responsibility to prove that it's not illegal, which requires paying a lawyer, going to court, etc., which can many times cost more than the seized property. It is illegal to get a fish drunk in Ohio. Philippines. You have to be 18 to buy a condom without parent supervision. In the UK, there is a law that is so outdated that no one bothered to change it, and it is not taught in law schools or in police training, but it is still technically against the law to carry a fish in suspicious circumstances. Not American and not specifically a law, but the plea deal scheme and for-profit prison combo. As a lawyer, seeing that bullshit go on in any place is completely absurd. It's illegal to distill your own alcohol. Emo, it should be allowed. And I completely understand if that includes safety regulations, since crappy stills can explode. But it's legal to grow the ingredients. It's legal to own a still. It's legal to distill things like essential oils in that still. It's legal to drink alcohol. It's legal to brew your own beer or make your own wine. It should be legal to distill your own liquor.
If you enjoyed this video, please check out our playlists full of similar content. Epicaricast is like doom scrolling for your ears. Please like, share, and subscribe.